Sirens going off again. Oh dear goodness. The sky, man. Hopefully, like last time, it's just on the outskirts of Logansport, but I never knew. It is getting darker and darker out here, though. No warnings out on the TV or anything, but something must have been spotted for them sirens to go off like that. God, it's only been like a week. God, those things are creepy sounding. You got the weather on at least? Who you talking to?
Yeah, well, like I said, the family portion, it actually would be about 2 people.
Who you talking to? Who you talking to?
Chris!
Has she heard anything about it?
No!
Why are they going off then?
She said she don't hear nothing going off.
Are you serious?
I don't hear them.
You'd probably hear them if the fan and the...
What, Chris?
Hear it?
Oh, yeah. I can hear them real faint.
They're going off for about 15 minutes now.
Producing destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. This indicated 8 miles west of Caliber, or 4 miles southeast of Knox, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Caliber, Plymouth, Rochester, Irvine, Benton. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Donaldson, Kellogg, Petersford, Maxine, Twin Lakes, Woodland, Howland, Walnut, Tiosa, The operator indicated some weak rotation within the severe thunderstorm. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no warning. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of
Rotation?
This severe thunderstorm has a history of producing widespread wind damage across Rock County. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Go to a basement or small material room. Evacuate and take shelter inside a sturdy structure.
This is scary. I was going to try to get a shower before this thing hit too. Damn. Oh, they're stopping. They just shut them off. Yeah, I don't know if they're gonna start back up again or what. Oh my God. Oh my God. What? What? Just like came up out of nowhere, just spawning. The neighbors are outside watching that a few minutes ago, but they all ran inside now. They said there was supposed to be large hail associated with the storm. How wicked is it now?
Here off the air here. I'm trying to do my best to pass along everything. But through real quick, as far as what the Clinton
Not
County
too smart to be out there.
residents can expect.
Okay, we are picking up now a tornado warning. We are picking up a tornado warning forecast for the county. Once again, we're going to the service has issued
There they go again!
warning.
They just started up again!
About the emergency service.
The sirens did!